Before creating the application, you need to increase the memory of your Node-RED instance, so go to your IBM Cloud dashboard and click on your application. Use the plus arrow to increase the memory of the instance to 1 and click Save. Close the box and wait for the app to restart. In the meantime, head to the Watson TV page on the IBM Early Programs GitHub. It is a HTML, CSS and JavaScript repo. Click on tv.html and go to raw. Copy the URL for this page and not the code. Go back to IBM Cloud and check that the app is restarted, and then go to your Node-RED instance. Create a new flow and call it Watson TV. Add onto the canvas a HTTP in node, a HTTP out node, HTTP request node from the function section, and a function node. Wire the nodes together like so. Edit the HTTP in node, configuring it as a GET with the URL /telly. Next, in the HTTP request node, paste in the raw URL that you copied from GitHub. Check that the return field is a UTF-8 string. Finally, edit the function node and set the content type to text HTML by typing in message.headers equals open brace content-type in quotes colon text /HTML in quotes with a brace and a semicolon. Click Done and deploy your application. Copy the Node-RED URL and in the new tab remove everything after bluemix.net and replace it with /telly. You now have an intricate HTML, CSS and JavaScript web page. To build the video captioning application, go to the Node-RED Labs video captioning webpage on GitHub, which is provided to you in the steps. Open the translation.json link, click on Raw, and this time copy the code. Back in Node-RED, go to Import from Clipboard and then paste in the code. You will get some unrecognized nodes which you need to install, so go to Options and Manage Palette. Search for Media-Utils and install the node. Now, when you close the window, you will see 3 less unknown types. The final unknown is an old version of the translation service. Search for Language Translator and drag the node onto the canvas, deleting the old node. Wire it into the flow and set a language to translate into, and change the domain to news. Deploy your application and go back to the Telly web page. Refresh the page and choose Translation and then click Load. After a few seconds you will see the video starting to play and the translation at the bottom. If you want to try out the transcription flow, go back to the video captioning page on GitHub and this time choose transcription.json. Click on Raw and copy the code. Back in Node-RED, go to Import from Clipboard and paste in the new flow. Drop it onto the canvas below the translation nodes and then deploy your app. Before you can test it out, you can see that the translation nodes are still going round with the TED Talk as the video is still playing. So to be able to use the transcription service, you need to restart your application. So go back to IBM Cloud and restart the app. Once the app is running again, go back into Node-RED and reload the TV or Telly web page. Make sure that transcription is selected and load the video. After a few seconds you will see the transcription below. This completes Lab 4, where you have created a video translation and transcription application, and also completes the Learning for the Basics to Bots course.